Father Robert, the principal of Don Bosco School, Ramfalbil, who have been a guiding light, imparting wisdom and knowledge to us. His unwavering support has been instrumental in a growth and development of the school. So thank you, Father. Secondly, I would like to thank Father Eddie. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Father Eddie, Director of Don Bosco School, Ramfalbil, for making this event possible. So thank you, Father. And thirdly, I would like to thank Brother Paul, the Vice Principal of Don Bosco School, Ramfalbil, who have been supportive of our initiatives and encourage us for making this program a success. So thank you, brother. And fourthly, I would like to thank the speakers of today's program, Madam Neely, the dancing masters, the sound system masters, Sir Michael, and all the teachers who are involved here to make this program a success. And lastly, but not the least, I would like to thank all the students present here for making this program a grand success. So thank you all.
Suja, the manager of the school, Reverend Brother Paul Macri, the Vice Principal, Brother Sybil Sborn, teachers, and my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. As Ma'am Nelly said, probably this will be my last speech addressing to you as a principal. When you come back, as Brother Paul said, when you come back, you will find new principal. Whatever it may be, I thank Madam Neely for giving me this chance to speak to you, to address to you. I just prepared something because William Wordsworth once he said, when emotions are high, the words are few. When emotions are high, words are few. And therefore I am sure I will not be able to speak very long and also more. Therefore I have said something that you cannot be able to understand. All things, both good and bad, must end someday. It's like a land after a great day. And so will we live the good times away, though hearts and lives will never ever stay. Strangers once together, and then it all started with hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, and so on. And now, that fateful time is here when we all have to say goodbye. Goodbye makes me to think, it makes me to realize what I have had, what I have lost, and what I have taken for granted. Golden 11 months at Don Bosco School, Ramfalbil awakens my capabilities and also the possibilities. And thank you is all that I prefer to use today. And so let it be, let it be, let it be. Thank you, management, Father Eddie, Brother Paul, to coordinators, Sir Michael, Sir Dononjoy, Madam Josephine, beloved teachers, office staff, Sir Francis, Sir Daimalu, and non-teaching staff, for all that they have been all these days and especially today. Thanks for all that you did for us students and for the other responsibilities, for learning a whole set of skills to stay connected for the benefits of our students, for putting your whole feeling on hold and keeping focus of your day, for planning for them long before they ever go rolling, for changing those plans because they did not fit someone who needed an extra mile, for smiling and laughing with them and reassuring in their efforts, trials and mistakes, for taking the time to spend a personal message that was exactly the need of the hour. Thank you, teachers, for taking care of the students, for my concern was the students, and you shared in my concern. To you, my dear students, it was my privilege to teach you and to be with you. Each of you are unique in your own way. Like stars, may you shine bright and brighter as days goes by. Dear students, gather courage and wisdom to navigate the sea of life, a voyage made smooth by your winning manners, amazing personalities and talents. My wish for you is this, dear students, may all your good dreams come true while overcoming the waves of storm. Pardon for my unkind words uttered with your welfare at heart. Let happiness, health and peace finds you in your long life. Stay alive, stay blessed. Thank you to one and all.